I'm here cutting open the box for our green screen mount. So this, oh, cut the box some more. Alrighty, open this up, and this is a portable canvas for the green screen. Comes with the clamps. 2 clamps, really strong. Comes with the instructions how to put it together. Pretty cool. And this is its carrying case. Clamps. You can open this up. Got Velcro straps for the handle.
Yes, guys, this is the new backdrop that I purchased. It's for me to add the green screen. I purchased just the stands, and I already have the fabric. After I put it together, and then I will use the fabric to turn it into a green screen background. And if you would like to find this, guys, you can find this on my store. I will put the link below for you. And I think this is a very helpful and very affordable.
Open the bag up, take out the 4 poles, take off the wing. Okay, then we're going to
okay, this is adjustable. You just have to add them together. You see,
and this goes up.
This is for you to extend
And turn it.
See, if you want your backdrop to be higher up, you just have to extend them.
Sides. Put this inside.
Press the little button.
There you go. So let's move this over.
You like this one?
Yep.
And you like this one right here? Okay.
Put them on the top. And then you can actually adjust this up even more. We'll slide. And the only thing left to do now is to put on your green screen or your green sheet. And that's pretty much the fan. Little twisties, you just twist them and pull up and to put it down. Alright. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Appreciate all your views. Material, drape it over. I'm going to get the clamps. Clamp one there. Another one. Try to clamp them both together. There we go. Flush.
Try knocking that down.
Whoops.
Now you see? She's trying already. This is so dang long. It's almost to the kitchen.
Yep.
But basically, it